Alright, so it's been a few days since I worked on this last. I've kind of been useless. Um, Not having the best day today, so we'll see how much work I actually get done. But yeah, I also have to edit the last video I made, which was like 4 days ago, but I'll do that after. It's not a big deal. So last time I rage quit because I couldn't get the thing to work correctly. Super easy fix. I don't think I showed the code last time, but it's pretty simple. I made a coroutine because I was kind of confused. I don't need these. I can take them out, maybe. Basically, the reason I wanted to wait to grab is I thought my issue was because my bool values were being set too late, um, or too early, and it was turning things on and off in the same frame. So I thought I would buffer it to the end of frame to make sure it all worked correctly, but that's not the case at all. It turns out the reason my grab wasn't working is because I still had this here like that, um, and basically, because so here, because when it's hold to grab, basically when you let go. When you're not grabbing, drop it. But for this one, because it's a toggle, um, now I gotta wait for the input. So when you press the input, grab starts. When you press it again, grab ends. So that was my whole issue. That's why it didn't work. So super simple fix. The next step will be to so it's not completely finished yet. So I have to add it to this script, my secondary grab attach. And basically, what I'm gonna do is I'll have a private value bool, not value, and I'll call it is hold to grab. We'll set it to false by default. Basically, I think this will be easy. I'm going to get it from the main grab, so well, we'll just do a little live code. So get component. No, I don't need that. Main grab. I can't type right now. I'm all shaky. I'm in a weird mood today. Dot hold to grab. So the value will equal that. So if it's false, secondary. So like if your main grab is not hold to grab, like it'll be the same. So I'll just set up the logic here. It'll be the same kind of idea, but it should work pretty easily. But it's all there's no point having two public values. They should both be the same. So yeah, it'll take 2 seconds to add that. I think it's just going to be kind of using the same kind of code. And then what to do? So I think we have to fix the recoil system, right? That's the next thing to do. So we'll work on that a little bit. I don't know how much work I'll actually get done today. Like I said, I'm just not having the best day. So I think doing a little bit of code is good for me mentally, and it helps me. But if I don't get a lot done, I'm not going to beat myself up over it. I just want to keep my mind going, and that's the whole idea of this. Anyways, I'll be right back. Okay, so quick little update. I got the other hand grab to work. It was pretty simple. I had to make this bool value for my old parent being set because when you release the weapon, sometimes things could go weird. It's basically to just make sure it was childed correctly. Anyways, it's not a big deal, but I've never shown this bug specifically in the video that I was talking about, the view glitch that happens every once in a while. This is the view glitch. So I run it sometimes and it does this. It gives me a billion errors. And I'd say it happens once every 10 tries, and I don't know why. It doesn't bother me. I think it's because I don't ever do room scans for Steam VR, but it's fucking annoying as shit. Anyways, I just got the grab to work correctly, I think. I just fixed an all reference from the last run, and I think it'll work now, so we're just going to do a quick run. I'll show it. And the running's a little faster. I'm going to grab. Yeah, so it works. I'm pretty happy that that works, so we'll get rid of that print. Don't need it. But for some reason, my fucking character wasn't jumping. And I have no idea. Let's open up player move quickly. There we go. Sorry, I thought it was in scene view. Let's get that out of the way. Player move. Or what did I call it? VR. Search all. Controller. I fucking hate looking for stuff. I'm not in a good mood today. I'm not. Just feel like I'm on the urge of snapping. Losing it. But whatever. Anyways. Handle VR movement. Rotate, ground check, check, jump. That's not capitalized. Why is that not? I'm trying to fix all this. I was doing weird standards. If grounded, an A button pressed. Input manager, check face buttons pressed. A button. A button click. While we're here, we'll check the Steam VR input. See how responsive that is. B button pressed. A button click. Why did I call them different things? Whatever. That exists. Let's put print. A button pressed. I'm just curious. There's a cat in my room, as you can see. Oh my god. Yeet. Alright, I'm kicking her out. Okay, so it's running. We're just gonna be looking at the print line. So there's my issue. I think the controllers are active, right? So when I press the A button, nothing happens. So I think I fucked up my Steam VR input manager completely. Well, let's open that up while we're here. You've never done Steam VR stuff. This is the input manager. You edit it. Use D-pad, grip, A button, B button. Cool. How did I accidentally delete them? Button. Click. A button. Plus button. Click. B button. I think it's the same. Anyways, doesn't matter. I don't have any B button stuff. This can all be changed in the future. I don't care that much. So save it. I think it's done. If I remember correctly, you save and generate. It generates the shit. I'm going to do it again because I was doing it at runtime. I'm going to check this once more just to make sure it worked. Those are set. Good times all around. So we're going to run it. We're just going to see if that value in the print line changes from false to true. I need my right controller. And jumping's back. Okay, so a little easy fix. I'm glad that that's all that was. That's because I was fucking with a Steam VR input manager to get everything to work. So, yeah, nice easy little fix. So that's good. Where's my GitHub? I closed it, so I think I'm ready to actually fix the recoil. And I don't know how to do it. Probably just going to give it ridiculous values until it works, but yeah, I'll get back to all that in the next little update. So I'm just debugging, trying to figure out why it's not working. So I'm just throwing in prints, changing values, all that jazz. And it was like this, and I'm getting nothing doing it that way. So I was like, I'll set it to 1, just make the step speed 1, just to see if it works or not, right? Like at all. Maybe it's something to do with the math there, and it is. But this is just kind of funny because I think this is how recoil should be in games. I got some aggressive debugs. But yeah, it's kind of funny. I thought I'd just show you that. Okay, so I'm over everything. The recoil works. I'll show you that quickly. So I thought I recorded like this 10-minute outro because I was trying to debug a broken thing and I never figured it out. Turns out I wasn't recording at all. So I'm not, I'm over it. I'm done. I'm not going to fix any of it. It's fine. I'll fix it tomorrow. Basically, for some reason, the release grab toggle left does not work correctly. and I'm over it. I don't care. So mad. It's just fine, which is good because that was like a 10-minute clip of me just swearing under my breath, going, "Why doesn't this fucking work?" So I'll end it on a high note. Forget that happened. It works. I'll show it, but so works with the riot. Good times. There's a bug, but yeah, it works. You can grab two at once, but that's fine. I'll figure that out later. Grabbed with the left. It's the exact same code. It did drop for a second though, so I don't know. I'll show you the recoil quickly. It doesn't work with a pistol. It can't. I don't want to explain it again. I already said basically the rotation axes are wrong with this weapon, and it's just badly set up on my part. So basically, I'll have to re-implement a different pistol for that to work correctly. Not a big deal. This is it working on the M16, M4, or whatever you want to call it. See how it like recoils up quite nicely. Does a little spray pattern, and then yeah, goes a little bit back and forth. And then we put the clip in. It is a big kick at the beginning. Another thing is, I'm going to fix in the future, is the raycast point should be directly where the ADS is, which is hard to see in the video. But yeah, it's kind of from the tube, but not a big deal. I'm pretty happy with the work I got done today. Not really, because the fucking left grab doesn't work, and that was kind of all I did today. So everything I did work correctly. So why doesn't the left release work? Let's just look at that again. Release grab left. So on left grip down is grabbed left and is grabbed, which makes sense, right? All those blue values. Let me release it. Let's close these guys. They're annoying me. So we release it, and left controller is not being used. Just grab left, release. So the only thing I can think of is that the release has a specific thing that's only getting changed for one controller. No, it appears to be the same. It should be called release grab. What? I copied it. I copied it. Why is that an error? Oh. Check release grab. That's a better name. Put it at the bottom. So, yeah, it appears to be the same code, right? Right. This is why I'm dumbfounded. Like, I get the grabbing two things. That's just a thing I have to check. If it's not being used, don't pick up, which I think I am checking. So, because I definitely validated that before. But because it's toggle, everything's a little slightly bit different. Basically, because you're toggling it, it gets released at the same time you grab something, right? So that's what's causing the issues with that. But it shouldn't be affecting the. I can't drop. Is grabbed. Grab right, grab left, other. Same code. I know this is redundant as fuck. There should be a better way of doing that, but I don't care. Touch the controller. Left. Yeah, I don't know. It's a fucking same. Oh my god. Oh my god, I keep finding more bugs. There's no errors. There's no errors, and all these bugs are happening. I'm gonna cry. Okay, so I grab the gun, and I don't get my controller back. I'm supposed to show them when you drop it on release. What the fuck is going on? I legit. I'm restarting Unity because I have no idea why this isn't working. Like, actually, that worked like 2 seconds ago at the beginning when I was demoing everything. So why is it not showing the controller? All this random stuff is breaking, and I have no clue why. Oh, I can't deal with this right now. How the fuck do I do this every day? Why is that not working now? What? What? Release the grab. Show the controller. If high controller on grab, show controller. If it's not being grabbed, oh man. Maybe it's that bull. Okay, let's just set that quickly. So we'll release dot. I don't even fucking care about the secondary grab. You know what? Grabbed. Oh, I'm so tired. So we gotta go interact grab and then release. We go here. Copy that. Yes, there's two bool values because I'm fucking retarded. Because what happens when you code late at night? You just don't care that much because you're tired and over it. I'm just always over everything. We're just gonna see if that fixes it. It shouldn't be an issue. This is something that does stuff. Okay, so we fixed that. That's cool. Does this fix this? Okay, that's been a long enough outro. It's just me debugging. I'll fix it tomorrow or Tuesday. We'll see if I go do it tomorrow because I gotta go to the gym and stuff. But I'm just not in the right state of mind to actually figure this out right now. I'm glad I got what I did done, and you know that feels good. But these stupid little fucking bugs, man, that should work. So whatever. I don't know. Anyways, take it easy. Past Sean.